some burping. If you don't like burping, don't watch this video. So, y'all, I had a great day. I already went out, did my errands, come home, put my pajamas back on, put my robe back on so I could go outside and look presentable. And it was just a really great day. So, a new friend picked me up, took me to the crystal store. And shit, I forgot to ask for cheese. Oh well, it's okay. So, since I got lots of good exercise this morning, and now it's the afternoon, as you can tell, because the sun is shining right in my beautiful face, I said, I'm starving. It's time to eat something. And you know, Hub Grub came right away, thank God. I don't want her having a lot of salt. Oh, sorry, paper. One of these days I'll figure out the camera to where I put it back far enough. I'm working on a whole new setup over there. That's the clay table for those of you who don't know. So, like, Nick avocado, you always making me want to eat whatever you eat. So I was just watching him eat Burger King. So, oh shoot, I meant to bring it so you can see it. I got some really neat crystals for those of you who don't know. I'll insert a picture of my crystal table. And I thoroughly enjoy keeping my crystal table full. Did you know that everybody's supposed to eat it this way? Yeah, this bun is supposed to catch the juices. That's good. So, I ran out this morning. I went to the crystal store. There's some good looking men at the crystal store too. I gotta tell you, I might be older than you, but I still look and flirt my ass off. Yes, I do. Why not? I ain't dead. Wow, you guys, it's such a beautiful cloudy day with the sun peeking through a little bit. Dr. Pepper, oh my gosh. Because for those of you who don't know, wow. Okay, still no. See, I put marks on the table so I can put the camera back far enough to get most of me, and it doesn't get most of me, so sorry. I try. Oh, I forgot I'm back over here now. I try. You think I'd have it down by now? I don't. Sorry. Oh my god, the crystal store had so many beautiful, beautiful crystals. And I wanted them all, but you know, I have no credit card, so. Cash and carry girl. It's so beautiful. Wow. Every day is beautiful, really. Man, I wanted every single one of those crystals. Because I think Mother Nature made crystals for a reason, and they're to help us energetically. It's already proven statistic. Watch some Cornelian photography. Kirlian photography is when you take a picture of something and it outlines the energy pattern. That's Kirlian photography. So, in watching Kirlian photography, we know that there's energy, and those energy patterns work with other energy patterns, like crystals. So, I'm a crystal healer, amongst other things, you know. My baby's so spoiled. No, she don't eat the whole hamburger. Don't even write to me about that. Even the mountains are so beautiful. I think that's Reno over there. And the mountains have a huge layer of snow. A long way across. I don't know if I were there, probably that'd be hundreds of miles. And it's so beautiful, but right now, the clouds are sitting just on top of the mountains, and you can't. It's like, am I seeing what I think I'm seeing? Is that really? Yep, it's really mountains. It's just so picture perfect. And I could look at the sun because it's all covered up by the clouds. Oh, it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. So we went to the crystal store. Oh my god. Y'all, there was this fine ass man. Well, you know, girl, I had to flirt, so I did. I thought that was a big ass bird. It was a plane. A little plane. There's an airport school right over there. I mean, you know, a school where they teach you how to fly small planes and helicopters and shit. Dr. Pepper. So I'm looking at him and I'm looking at the crystal. I'm looking at him. And he's holding this huge celestite. Oh, so beautiful. So I just had to tell him the truth. I don't know which is more beautiful, you or the celestite. Oh, you're just gonna take it? Okay. Hey, elders gotta do what elders gotta do. To have as much fun as I can before I go home. There you go, Robert. And where have you been, Robert? Oh, everybody. Robert wants us to have a burping challenge. Anybody up for a burping challenge? Let me know. I have my soda ready. My little Chihuahua princess. So, after flirting with his fine ass, where's my timer? Oh, there it is. Yeah, see, I remember to turn the phone the other way today. So you know I had to give him my card, right? Mm-hmm. ThomasToast.com, baby. That's right. Hey, this is why you should never eat, never drink anything until after I've eaten. Soda fills you up. How many is that? Is that 4? I think that's 4. Red Wine says 5 is your limit. I don't want you to get the runs. He's like, I gave him my number. Why not? Finally, somebody give me napkins. Stop being nosy. My baby can crunch. I usually give her little hard ones. My dentures don't always like chewing little crunchy stuff. Here, crunch louder for the people. She's almost done. I love my baby. So, you got me. I'll tell you about that later. And pictures. For those of you older folks like me, 56, 7, 50, how am I? 57. You better keep flirting. Why not? Oh, yep. You know, if he sticks around long enough, you will see a picture of him. And you're gonna be like, Tasha, you attracted that handsome man. What'd you do? Poison him. No, I didn't poison him. He just likes fat black chicks. certain type of mukbang that you like to watch only. What is it? I want to know. Put it in the comments. I like mukbangs that consist of a lot of crunching. I have dentures and I can't crunch stuff very hard. So even though I have dentures now, thank God, I still want to hear crunching sounds. Man, if I could, I'd be eating peanuts and stuff all the time. See, Robert already told me he likes burping. That's why I always burp for Robert. He's been here since day one. Thank you, Robert. I'm sorry, I keep thinking of Guy's face. How his face look as I'm flirting with him. I'm trying to think of the name of the actor that he reminds me of, but I can't think his name. No matter, I had fun at the crystal store today. Thank you for my subscribers. I appreciate you. And on our 500 subscribers, I'm going to have another free giveaway. To those who leave the most amount of comments between 300 and 400. Sorry. Next time we're going to go outside. See how beautiful it is. I like all days. Except hot days. It's still a beautiful day. But I stay indoors on those days. I'm in Vegas. It gets 125. I don't go out. No. Okay, Robert. One for the road. See, that's like Dr. Pepper is just nicely carbonated. It's not real strong like even a lot of Sprite is real too strong for me. Thank you for being here. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Don't forget to be good to you first. Sorry, Robert, I tried. Oh, it's in there. It's not going to come out, Robert. Until after I turn it off, then it'll come out.